Hello everyone, this is 𝗬𝗲𝗀𝗵𝗿𝗀 from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on V2Retail. Our analyst maintains positive view on V2Retail with a revised price target of ₹16.25. Management eyes strong Q3 on festive, wedding and winter demand. It expects double-digit revenue per square feet growth. Margins to be higher, aided by favorable mix, with 22 store additions in first half and 14 additions so far in Q3. V2R is on track to meet its target of 60 to 65 store openings in FY25. Strong store addition and steady improvement in RPSF will help revenues and EBITDA clock a CAGR of 47% and 50% over FY24 to FY27 respectively. Stock trades at 22 times FY25, 14 times FY26 and 10 times FY27 EV by EBITDA. Next we cover Supreme Industries. Our analyst maintains buy rating on the company with an unchanged price target of ₹5,700. Stabilization of falling PVC prices, expected pickup in housing, agriculture and infrastructure demand is expected to result in a strong second half and drive the growth going forward.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.